What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to scan a document using the built-in camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the camera app. Now after opening the camera app, click on the settings icon, and here you will see a scan document and text button on the top. So first of all, turn on this button, and after turning on this button, go back and open your camera. Now take your document in front of camera, and when you will see this text icon, then press on this text icon, and on the next screen you can adjust the page cutout. So adjust your page, and after adjusting your page alignment, just simply tap on save. So now this page is scanned as a document. So you can see it says document saved. You can tap on this text icon to select or copy the text from the page. So that's how you can scan a document using built-in camera app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.